Ontario has welcomed an almost $19 million investment, manufacturing investment, related to a company called Bread Source Corporation. Why this is relevant, taking into account the geopolitical aspects of grain and wheat production, Canada is becoming a true bread basket of the world. We are producing wheat, we are exporting wheat, and this is an indication of how this area of the economy will be going very active in the future. And as you can see, Bread Source Corporation expansion will create more jobs in Scarborough, Ontario. Always take into account the geopolitical aspects of immigration too. Second piece of news comes from one of the biggest banks in Canada, Desjardins. They are suggesting having more immigrants to Canada, around 2.2% of Canada's population. At the moment, we are expecting around 1% of the population in terms of immigration. The reason being is that the aging population, the retiring population, needs to be replaced by a tax-paying working population, so that the retirement needs and the retirement services could be provided successfully.